So Trump is making people millions of dollars after the recent assassination attempt. Now this attempt to essentially eliminate the former president has created so much hype around him that even Elon Musk is fully endorsing him on social media. Now there are people taking advantage of all this hype and they're actually making money from it with TikTok Shop affiliate, pretty much selling products based around the upcoming election and Trump. For example, in the past week, this Sleepy Joe prank mailer is just blowing up on TikTok, and in total it's racked in over $350,000 in revenue. And everyone that's doing TikTok Shop affiliate can actually sell this product and earn a little bit of commission every time they sell one of them. For example, this video where some guy reviews the product and he makes a whole skit about it, and it is just hilarious.
What the fuck is this? Donation receipt? Oh, let's see what the hell this junk is. Alright, if I actually donated some money to these idiots, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. 250 bucks? Recurring? Holy shit. Here you can read this.
This video is hilarious, but what's even crazier is this video got 9 million views and he probably sold tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, just of this one product. And remember, every time he sells one of these, he gets commission. I would estimate that this guy made $20,000 to $40,000 in profit off of this one video, and he was just in his car talking about one of these products. There's a Trump t-shirt where it's him holding his fist up and it says Trump 2024 bulletproof, and it already has 3,000 of them sold. Keep in mind, this photo was taken less than a week ago, and that's not even the biggest one. We have another one, 6,000 sold already, and it's of, pretty much the same thing, very similar. And there's another one that says 8,000 of them sold, and this is just Trump sitting there with the middle finger, right? It is just taking off. Any product to do with Trump right now on the TikTok shop. I'll show you how simple it is to make money with this. Literally, this dude is just walking around with a shirt on. This video was, 16 seconds long. It took him maybe 5 minutes to make, and it racked in a total of 6 million views. And once again, he's making tens of thousands of dollars in profit. So in less than a week since this whole event happened, there has been millions of dollars sold worth of products based on Trump and the upcoming election. So if you haven't started TikTok Shop affiliate, now is literally your time. This is popping off, and for the next couple months, there are going to be opportunities like this, new products coming out. Don't even get me started. American flags are going crazy. Anything to do with politics. He's killing it on TikTok right now. It's going so viral that even people in my community like CJ, they're seeing this, and there's like products out there where you can earn $8 per sale just on a t-shirt. Right? You sell one t-shirt, you get $8. That's insane. What's cool about my community TikTok mastery is that we're also posting all the trending products. So you can see this week we posted like this little, what is this, like a sign for the front of your lawn with Trump sitting there, fight, fight, fight. We also posted the little envelope for Biden. We also posted an American flag that's going viral. Everything that is popping off, we only post it in the Discord. You can join for 7 days completely free. Try it out, see if you like it, and if you don't, peace out. But we're gonna all be making bread with this upcoming election. If you're actually wanting to start making some profit, just selling products just like this right here, I don't know, this little Biden envelope, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do this and how you can start replicating videos just like this. People are whipping out their wallets just to buy this stuff. Why? Because everyone is so passionate about this upcoming election. First things first, you need to find which products are actually popping off. That way you can make videos on them, and you're not just promoting random crap that's not gonna sell. So first, pull up your TikTok account. We're gonna go to the product marketplace, which I have pulled up here. And the goal is we need to find some of these banger products. You're gonna search for products, type in Trump, and then you can see all these different things are gonna pop up. Some of them only have like, 1,000 sold, some 300. So go up to the top, do sort by, and then best sellers, and you're gonna see some of the top products that are selling right now. For example, this t-shirt that we just saw a few minutes ago, every time you sell one, it's $3 in profit. That's not bad. When you click on it, the things you wanna look for is it at least has 4-star reviews, and then also at least 1,000 of them sold. Maybe even 500 if you wanna push it, but it just proves that this product is actually something people want. You can type in things like election, you're gonna see some other products come up. So this one which is literally a Trump flag of him holding up his fist with a flag in the background. I mean, every time you sell one, you get $2.40, 20% commission. One of the top selling products that's super easy to make videos on is gonna be this American flag, right? 18,000 of them sold, 4.9-star reviews. And because of the upcoming election, it's a super easy video to make. Like for example, this guy, he got 3.9 million views posting a video with this flag. Look at this.
You got a flag like this, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You should tear this down and throw it away. This kind of stuff shouldn't be out on porches and flying around like this. Or you're making fun of my flag again. No, Pops, this flag right here is just a piece of crap, and you need to get rid of it and get you a real American flag. Made in the USA, American flag. It's got embroidered stars. It's got double stitching.
So the guy just sat there, talked about the cool features of the flag. He made it a little funny. I think that was his dad in the background or whatever. Almost 4 million views, and the guy probably sold over $100,000, maybe $200,000 worth of this product. It's so easy to make money with this. The times to make money on TikTok Shop is usually during a holiday or some crazy upcoming event. So like Mother's Day, Father's Day, and in this case, you know, the upcoming election with all the hype around Trump. It is a gold mine. There's a ton of options for you to choose from on what you want to promote, but the main key is make sure that you have TikTok Shop affiliate enabled on your TikTok account, which if you don't know how to do that, in the description, if you join the Discord, we teach you how. But once you have that enabled, you can come and once again, you can search for anything, right? Type in flag, America, USA, Trump, Biden, whatever, anything politics, and you're going to see all these products pop up. And once again, you don't have to do political products. Like on the TikTok Shop, you can see there's a bunch of different products, USB things, and I don't know, little fans for your car, phone stuff. There's a bunch of products, but the ones that are making the most money right now are the political ones. But now let's go into an actual video, break down the psychology behind it and how you can replicate it so you can start making some money. We'll start off with this Joe Biden mailer video. This one is hilarious and it's super simple to make. 43 seconds long. It's a banger. And remember, this video got 9 million views. So let's actually break it down.
What the fuck is this? Donation receipt.
If you guys watch my content, you know that is known as the hook. Right off the bat, you have text on the screen that says Biden envelope, right? So it evokes a little bit of curiosity, but the most important part is he's there with a mailbox. So it correlates, right? Whatever he said in the text, it makes sense with what he's doing in the video because it's Biden envelope, he's opening up the mailbox, and then boom, there's a Biden envelope. The good thing about this is because the election is coming up and there's so much hype around it and the whole Trump situation, any product that you promote, it's going to be so much easier to go viral, right? So as long as you're showing the product within the hook, right? You're showing it within the first 5 seconds, it's going to be really easy to go viral. In addition to that, notice how he's moving the camera. He's always doing something. He's not just sitting there like still, right? That's also very important. You need movement, you need excitement, you need something to happen. Each clip that he's recording is like 3 to 4 seconds maximum. Then he's switching to a new clip to keep people's attention, right? That's also really important in the hook. So he's opening it up, he's building it up, he's showing what's inside the envelope, and that suspense and curiosity has now gotten people to the 27-second mark in the video.
Okay, so this is a prank mailer. I sent it to my grandpa at his house, and he was pissed that he got it. So I wanted to get one just to see how it was. It's actually pretty funny.
This guy's a genius because he goes ahead and explains what the product actually is. It's like a prank mailer, and he talks about how he gave one to his grandfather and pranked his grandpa. So he's planting ideas inside of the viewer's head and making them think, yo, what if I get one for my dad, for my grandpa? Right? What if I prank them? Right? He's planting those ideas to make them want to purchase it. At the end of the video, he has the call to action. You can hear that right here.
I got the link down below. It's like really cheap, dude. This thing is like $5.
I got the link below. It's really cheap. It's like $5. So it was a really simple call to action, got the job done. And then he made a ton of money on this video. The key that he did here was he came up with an idea for the video before he recorded it. He thought, you know what? I'm going to go down to my mailbox. I'm going to stick this in. Okay, then I'm going to open it up, show everyone what's inside. I'm going to tell him that I got it from my grandpa to prank him. I'm going to show him where to buy it, right? He thought about it before he started recording, and I recommend you do the same. Another thing that works really well is doing skits or actually live pranks, right? So they did a prank with this Biden little envelope thing. This guy gave it to his dad, and he got his reaction live, and it was just hilarious.
What the fuck is this?
Did you make a donation? No, that's a stupid question.
I'm about ready to shoot you.
He just sat there on the couch with his freaking feet just sitting in the frame as he watches his dad open up the envelope. And it was a super simple video, right? This took, 2 minutes of him just sitting there recording it? Yeah, and this same guy has done it multiple times, right? He has another video, 7 million views here, with the same thing, just opening up in his mailbox. Another one, oh my God, 8 million views. Look, it's a completely different video. This is insane, right? There is so much potential to start making money with this. Let's say that you want to do hats or apparel or something like that. You can make a video where you're essentially just walking with the t-shirt, right? Showing it off. You can make a skit about it, maybe giving it to your family members like, yo, look, I just got you this shirt. They try it on. You can try what this dude did to get 6 million views, which he's doing all the time. Look, all he does is review shirts on his page, right? And he's getting sometimes like 1,000 views and then sometimes 30,000, right? Sometimes 6 million. Notice that he's posting so many different pieces of content, and the ones that are performing the best on his page are going to be the ones where it's actually Trump, right? It's crazy because the Trump like fan base is, or not even fan base, but just his followers and his supporters are just so strong, so they're going to buy anything to do with Trump. It's insane. Super simple. He just walked up some stairs while saying, please don't wear this tee to the family party. And it's kind of funny. You know, it's Trump sitting there, middle finger. Super simple to make, 133,000 likes. It's hard to tell exactly how much he made off of this video, but if I was a guessing man, I would say, if I was a betting man, I'd say like 20 to 40,000 in profit. I mean, off of 6 million views with Trump popping off right now, like easily. And once again, he just posted this video 7 hours ago, right? Very, very similar thing. Pretty much the same thing, 11,000 views already. And remember, this election only happens once every 4 years, so why not give it a shot now? You're not gonna have this opportunity forever. Let's say you're thinking, yeah, I'm down, but I'm still confused on where to get started, how to make these videos, how to set up an account, all that stuff. Once again, TikTok Mastery, my community, there are people making a ton of money. We got Trev Dog in there making what is this? $400 in commission a day, right? You can see every day he's posting it. Like on average, $300 to $500 a day in profit. It's insane how much y'all are making in TikTok Mastery. Holy crap, Joe. You made 9.1 thousand in a month. It's just too easy. Whenever opportunities come up in life, whether it's a new scholarship to a college, or you just got a new job opportunity, or I don't know, TikTok Shop is killing it right now for any political product, take advantage of it. You have to. If you don't, you're gonna be broke forever. What? Okay, that was a bit harsh, but you're not gonna be broke, but you're not going to be making as much money as everyone else is. Take advantage of the gold mines, take advantage of the opportunities. Let's go make some bread. So with that being said, short video, once again, if you want to learn more, TikTok Mastery, and I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Or actually, no, I'll see you in TikTok Mastery. Peace out, y'all.